You're welcome to FX Trainer Global Limited. This is the 14th of November 2022, and this analysis is from 14th of November 2022 to 18th of November 2022. And my name is Godwin Emmanuel. Sincere apology for having been away for over 9 days right now. I haven't been within the country, just returned. So sincere apologies for that. And also, I believe most of us must have been trading on the wire and they've been cutting good move. And just saw a great move, an amazing move, which took place. And I believe some of you have been following also the why, must have known how to make the market through what we've learned so far. And we'll continue with our analysis for today. So this is DSDY, DXY, and that is our dollar index. So what we're seeing from dollar index here is we are seeing this market this week will actually be a kind of a pullback time. All right, so market has given us the move, and this particular move, for those who have been taking our training, of course, should anticipate this particular great move. And this is actually on daily time frame. So I'm taking this I'm taking this analysis strictly from 4 hours and daily. So what we're expecting to see here in daily, we want to see this particular push to downside to take away this liquidity here. Then after that, we'll be expecting them to start playing back down into this fair value gap. All right. So once we see them play back into this fair value gap, then another thing is under drop to the downside. This is what I'm expecting. Then based on what the market will give today, we can tell accurately what the market will do tomorrow. And that is if we see this particular push up today, maybe get to this level, the following day we'll see them come to this level, then to push down. Then this is what I'm expecting to see. This correction movement is what I want to see before a push to downside. Then this is the first one. Then if you go to a 4 hours time frame, of course, we may not get this particular push aggressive to down to the upside. Why? Because most person have been trapped. All right. You should know that they may not just correct it directly. But this at the wrong run, this is what they will do at the wrong run. So they might give you this in 4 hours, come up like this a bit, then drop. Okay, then they'll do like this, come up to this level, then drop. Okay, so and at this situation, this is what we see them do on this particular trade. So we are going straight up to 4 hours. So this is what we want to see them do. All right. I want to see them play into this level here. When they get into this level, then they will drop. Then another one is to come back again, play back into this level, then they will drop. That is what we'll be expecting to see from this particular trade. So the next one is EURUSD. EURUSD, we will be expecting to see this market do this thing. So we want to see them pull back here, then push, then back down again to this level, then we'll see a great push to the upside. All right, that is what we're expecting to see on the EURUSD. We want to see them give us that. Let me draw it properly. When we see them do this, market open with a small gap. So we would like to see them do this to the upside. Then they will play back down into this level. All right. Then up, they will play back down into this level. Then before they will take a push to the upside. So this is what we'll be expecting to see from there. So this correction movement is what I actually want to see them do. I want to see them correct it, then pushed up again. All right. So here is a fair value gap too. And here we'll have a block. So they've broken the structure here. So we want to see them correct to downside, then push, correct again, then push. This is what I'm expecting, because there will still be, market is not going to reverse, so we're going to see a push again to the upside, because this movement is just to tell us that, man, these guys, dollar is actually at the verge of losing weight right now after the CPI news, and so we saw this great movement to the upside. Good, so that's what actually triggered it. So you combine both fundamental and technical analysis together. You don't just focus only on technical analysis, because you need to know what actually drives the market. So that's what we want to say on this particular pair. So we're going back to another one, and that is GBPUSD. So in GBPUSD also, we're expecting to see this happen in GBPUSD. I have to zoom out a bit so you can have a view. Now, as you can see, where the market is right now, we'll have this level to watch. Good, which is what the market is right now. So stops are already resting here. So we'll have fair value gap here. So we would like to see market give us this. Now we want to see them give us a push, a little push to the upside. All right. We want to see a little push to the upside. That will take out this high. Take out this high. Then we'll be expecting to see a push to the downside. Then we'll see another push again that will take away this particular high that will be created. Then we'll see under correction again to the downside. Then from there, we'll get a push to the upside. This is what we'll be expecting to see from this particular pair. So be it as it may, I want to see correction, an impulsive kind of a retracement move before they push to the upside. And that is what I'll be trading for this week. And another one again I want to look at here is gold. Gold, we still want to see gold push up to the upside, take out this previous high, take it out, then hit this level. Then we'll be expecting to see them come to the downside and give us this correction. All right, this correction is what I want to have before I will begin to target the next push to the upside. Okay, that is what I'll be expecting to see from this particular pair. As we'll be doing our update daily every single day, so kindly ensure you don't miss out, because I'll be doing that, and also I'll be having a live trading section this week. So please ensure you are part of this. Then we'll have AUDUSD. AUDUSD, we'll be expecting to see the market give us this. We'll be expecting to see them go to the upside and take away this high. All right, correct to the upside, and then push down and correct to this level here, enter this fair value gap here, pick up something there, and boom, to the upside. Now, let's zoom out so we can get what we're saying clearly on this particular thing here. Let's zoom out a bit. Great. Now, as you can see here, we'll have this level to watch. Okay. So we'd like to see them do this first here to this level. Then from this level, we'll be expecting them to come down. Get back into this level. Then from here to the upside. So I would like to take it from discounted. Take from this level here to the upside. So we're still going to expect them to go to the upside, but then we would like to see these guys give us a pullback. So if I should give this week a name, I'll give it a pullback name. All right, boom. Then I would like to see them come down here. Then I'll push to the upside. All right, this is what I'll be targeting to trade this week. So I trade strictly what I see and not what I feel. Then the next one is USDCAD. USDCAD, I would like to see USDCAD clear back into this fair value gap. All right, then I'll take it to the downside. That is what I want to see on USDCAD. I want to see them play back into this fair value gap here. All right, then I will take it to the downside. That is what I would like to see here. Then the next one is USDCHF. USDCHF, I would like to see USDCHF, trade this way. Here we'll have a fair value gap. It has entered this fair value gap here. So I would like to see them do this, back down, take away this previous low, all right? And then come back down, back to this zone here, all right? Or tap into this zone here. Then I'll be expecting a push to downside. I'll be expecting a push to downside. This is also what I'll be expecting to see from this particular pair. So we'll have correction, then we'll have also another impulsive movement after this correction. That is what I'm expecting to see from this pair. Then the next one is NZDUSD. NZDUSD, I would like to see NZDUSD, all right? Here we'll have fair value gap. Market has already come into this fair value gap, all right? What do you expect? A put to the upside to take away this fair value, take away this previous high that was created, then hit this level. Then I'll be expecting them to come back down to trade possibly into this FVG that is rising here, okay? Then from there, we'll be expecting aggressive pull to the upside. That is what I was also expecting to see from this particular pair. Even if we don't see this full retracement to this level here, so but know it that this market is still going to go to the upside. Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I'll be expecting to see this happen to Nasdaq. I'll be expecting to see Nasdaq come up, looks like as analyzed, hit this level. Then I'll be expecting them to pull back down before an aggressive push to the upside. That is what I'll be expecting to see from Nasdaq. I'll be updating us every single day on what comes out and what we need to target. And those who are in our trading community, of course, you'll be seeing the levels you'll be watching and also how to leverage on that level to make good money for yourself for this week. Then also we'll be expecting to see this happen. All right, market has already traded back into this particular level here, into this place here. So we'll be expecting them to come to the downside. All right, from here, I'll be expecting a push to the upside. That is for US30. That's for US30. So also USDJPY. The next one we'll be checking to see what will happen on USDJPY. On USDJPY, like I said, I'll be expecting to see this market. First of all, this is a previous low, and this is what the market opened with a gap. So we'll be expecting this market, as I tap into this particular level here, we'll be expecting them to do what? To come down, take out this low, hit this block, and then find a way to come into this level, at least 50% premium level. Then from here, we'll be expecting to see them come down, all right, or possibly tap into this fair value gap here. Then I'll be expecting another push to the downside, all right? So that is also what I'll be expecting from this particular pair. So we're going straight up to GBPJPY, GBPJPY, we'll be expecting to see the market do this simple. In GBPJPY will have a fair value gap here. Right, market has already tapped into this, so we expect to see this market coming to this level where it is right now. Then the next thing I want to see, I would like to see them come down here to this zone here. Okay. So for here, I would like to see them build up to this level, then boom, to downside. That is what I'm expecting to see for this particular pair. So now we're talking about next one is NZD US I think that is all. So we'll have GBPJPY than USDJPY. So this is what we're drawing cutting for today's analysis. So ensure you don't overtrade, ensure you manage your risk, and ensure you don't over leverage your account. Right. Thank you guys very much. I remain Godwin Monday. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and also help us to share this channel and also comment. Thank you very much. Sorry, I've been away for some time, but I'm fully back right now. Thank you very much. I remain blessed. I remain Godwin Emmanuel. Thank you.